G'day everyone, it's Dean Meyer here from Tree FX and also Macy Meyer, and we were just in the backyard at my place, and we saw some little honey eaters, some little birds, and it prompted me just to do this quick video about what you might need to do, some tips on how you might be able to attract some small birds and butterflies and things like that into your gardens. So I'll just give you a quick look around. So there's Coco over there. When I've planted out my garden, I've planted a mixture of trees, mostly native stuff, but trees that are going to grow to differing heights, I guess. So small shrubs and little vines, and some of the things were already here. But what it does is it provides some protection for the smaller honey eaters and other small birds that are around in the garden. But I guess the benefit of having these birds in your garden, other than the fact that they're lovely, is that these birds are likely to feed on insects and other pests that may cause damage to your larger trees. So if you have a look in the background now, I've got this enormous big Eucalyptus botryoides, which is a southern mahogany. Now these are very partial to getting lerp damage, which is damage on the leaves from a small insect that sucks the sap out of the leaves. Now, little birds like the honey eaters feed on these lerps and therefore control the numbers of the lerps, increasing the tree's health, which in turn increases the tree's ability to protect itself or fend off pest and disease. So when you go to plant out your gardens, if you can think about having understory plants, medium canopy trees, then you're going to protect the small birds, provide cover to small birds that are going to help enhance the health of your larger trees. So it's a cheap, easy option that you can do to help manage the health and safety of your big trees. So think about how you plant your gardens out. You can attract birds and butterflies, which are great to look at, but also great for your big trees. You got anything to say, Macy?
Dada.
Oh, that's lovely. See you later.